Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to avoid highways in the navigation in your Tesla vehicle. So what we're going to do is navigate to a supercharger that has quite a bit of highway between where I currently am and where it's located. So we'll choose this one up here and then navigate to it. And this is super highway right here all the way up to that charger up there. So if you don't want to navigate on a highway, when you're navigating to your location, what you want to do is in your navigation area, find these three little dots right here. Click on those to open up our menu. What we want to do in our menu is click on where it says settings. And then in our settings, we're going to scroll down until we find where it says avoid highways. We're going to toggle that to the on position. It's going to save to our profile. So now anytime that we navigate with it saved like this, it's going to avoid highways in the navigation. So when we exit out of this, I can now see that I'm no longer going along that highway. It has me taking back roads all the way up to where that supercharger is located. So if you don't like driving on highways, it's not something that you prefer, or you just want to avoid highways for whatever reason, you can do this option in your settings. Even if you have it on the full screen, your navigation area down here, again, we're just going to open up the menu with those three dots, click on where it says settings, and then in your settings area, you can toggle on or off avoid highways. So if I toggle this back off, it'll save that to my profile again. And if I exit out, now it has us going back down that highway route. So no matter what your preference is for this in terms of driving along highways or not, you can set that in your navigation settings. Whenever you're navigating to a location, just open up your settings and you can adjust it to how you prefer.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla content in the future.